Welcome back to Muscle Car. Today we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 Auton Healey, a name that's set to redefine modern sports cars. Combining cutting-edge technology with timeless design, this car is a stunning fusion of heritage and innovation. Let's start with the heart of the Auton Healey, its powertrain. This beauty is equipped with a turbocharged inline-4 engine paired with a hybrid electric system. Together, they produce an impressive 400 horsepower, delivering an exhilarating driving experience. With a 0-60 mph time of just 3.8 seconds, it's clear this car was built for performance. The advanced hybrid system doesn't just enhance power. It also improves fuel efficiency, making it a practical choice for both city driving and weekend getaways. One look at the design, and you know this is a Healey. The 2025 model pays homage to its classic predecessors with retro-inspired curves, a low-slung profile, and distinctive front, but don't mistake it for a relic of the past. It features modern touches like LED lighting, active aerodynamics, and lightweight carbon fiber materials. The combination of old-school charm and futuristic details is a head-turner. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that blends luxury with technology. The leather-trimmed seats, minimalist dashboard, and premium materials create an atmosphere of refinement. The centerpiece is a high-resolution touchscreen with a fully customizable interface. This system integrates navigation, smartphone connectivity, and advanced driver assistance features, ensuring you stay connected and safe on every drive. The driving dynamics of the 2025 Auton Healey are nothing short of exceptional. With a lightweight chassis and finely tuned suspension, this car feels agile and responsive. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through tight corners, the steering is precise, giving drivers a true connection to the road, while multiple driving modes allow you to tailor the experience to your liking. What truly sets the Auton Healey apart is its focus on sustainability without compromising performance. The hybrid system is designed to reduce emissions, and the car features recyclable materials throughout its construction. It's proof that a sports car can be both thrilling and eco-conscious. The 2025 Auton Healey is more than just a car, it's a statement. For those who appreciate the legacy of the Healey name while looking toward the future, this car delivers in every way. Thanks for watching Muscle Car. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts about the 2025 Auton Healey in the comments. See you next time.